Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Triumph Bonneville Bobber 1200cc torque monster, twin cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected. This is a really cool bike, statement bike. It's got the front fork covers, it's equipped with the bullhorn mirrors, engine guards, and that really distinctive bobber style. Come on by, make your Triumph Bobber dreams come true with this awesome 1200cc Triumph Bobber. It's got a matte gray finish, price to sell for just $11,499. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Only 1,800 miles on this gorgeous bike. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.